Professor Thumpkin, world's leading scientist, has just arrived in Scotland to search for the lake monster. Dr. Claw will try to kidnap him. Your mission is to protect the professor from the forces of MAD. This message will self-destruct. Don't worry, Chief. I'm always on duty. With Gadget on the job, Thumpkin is as safe as you are.
Look, Gadget, just... That's what I'm afraid of.
You escaped that time, Gadget, but you'll never arrive in time to save the professor. Is everything ready?
Ready, Dr. Claw. We can see him coming.
Good. Gadget, I've got you now.
Wowzers, this road needs a lot of work.
Gadget.
Professor Thumpkin wanted to see what was in the lake. If someone wants to see, he has to get up high. What's high? A tree. Therefore, Professor Thumpkin must be up a tree. Professor? Come down this minute. I know you're up there. All right, I'm coming up after you. Go, Gadget Arms! Here I come! Of all the times for my spring to break.
Brain, come in! Brain, you've got to warn Uncle Gadget. He's standing in front of the monster.
That's it, Gadget. Just a few more steps backward.
Where? Where could they have taken him? Wait a second. This cave looks suspicious. Yes, I bet that's it. Claw has hidden the professor in this cave. I'm coming, Professor!
At last. He's there, all right. Exactly where I want him. What are you laughing for? I did all the work.
Gadget, you saved the professor. Well done, Gadget.
Thank you. What's that? Is it alive?
Never mind. All that matters is you've rescued Professor Thumpkin. You're a hero.
I am? Oh, yes, of course I am. Inspector Gadget does it again.
Well, you haven't seen the last of Dr. Claw, Gadget.
That was great, Uncle Gadget. I'm really proud of you.
Well, if I say so myself, they picked the right man.
Look, the professor's waking up.
Feeling better, Professor?
Keep him away from me!
I wonder what's wrong with him.